In this video, we'll show how to change the fuel filter on a Stihl MS170 or MS180 chainsaw. This is a very simple but important maintenance item to increase the longevity of your saw. After removing the fuel cap, use an angled pick or hook to remove the cap retainer. Using the same tool, grab the fuel line near the filter and carefully work it out of the tank. Replace the old filter with a quality replacement from Hipa, and reverse the installation process to finish the job. Hipa has a full line of parts and accessories for your small machine, including all-in-one repair and maintenance kits. Visit us at hipastore.com.